Daily routines, habits, truths. Verb 1. Usage of the first form of the verb, we1. The first form of the verb, or we1, is the basic form of a verb. It is the simplest version of the verb, like go, eat, or sit. Here's how and when we use it. For regular actions, simple present tense. Use we1 when you talk about actions that happen regularly, like things you do every day or facts that are always true. We1. Examples: I go to school every day. They play football on Sundays. For commands or instructions, use we1 to tell someone to do something, like giving a command or an instruction. Examples: sit down. Write your name. After certain verbs, use we1 after certain verbs like make and let to show an action. Examples: let her talk. Make him laugh. By using these simple rules, you can easily understand where to use the first form of the verb in English. 1. Examples for regular actions, simple present tense. I cook dinner every night. We travel to the countryside every summer. You study English every day. They visit their grandparents on Sundays. The children play outside after school. We watch movies on weekends. You take the bus to work every day. They enjoy dancing at parties. I drink coffee in the morning. We go jogging every morning. You teach math at the school. They clean their rooms every Saturday. I write letters to my friends. We attend yoga classes twice a week. You learn new words daily. They paint pictures in their free time. I eat fruits every day. We celebrate festivals with joy. You exercise regularly for good health. They play musical instruments in the band. 2. Examples for commands or instructions. Come here quickly. Close the door, please. Listen to the teacher carefully. Finish your homework now. Wash your hands before eating. Open the window for some fresh air. Read the instructions carefully. Write your answers on the paper. Follow the rules of the game. Bring me a glass of water. Start the meeting at 10 o'clock. Check your work before submission. Help each other with the tasks. Pick up the trash from the floor. Share your notes with the group. Turn off the lights when you leave. Take your medicine on time. Drive safely on the road. Smile when you meet someone. Prepare for the test in advance. 3. Examples after certain verbs, make and let. Let them play outside. Make them understand the rules. Let us go to the park. Make the children laugh. Let the dogs inside. Make your friends feel welcome. Let us help with the dishes. Make them remember the lesson. Let the kids decide the game. Make your parents proud. Let them express their feelings. Make the audience clap. Let us finish the project. Make them clean the room. Let them join the team. Make the children wash their hands. Let your friends enjoy the party. Make the guests comfortable. Let us explore the city. Make the team work harder. Summary rule for using the first form of the verb, we1, with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. Simple present tense. Use the first form of the verb, we1, for regular actions, habits, routines, general truths, and facts with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. Imperative sentences, commands, or instructions. Use the first form of the verb we1 for giving commands or instructions regardless of the subject. After certain verbs, make and let. Use the first form of the verb we1 after verbs like make and let. Simple present tense. In English, we use the first form of the verb we1 with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns to talk about regular actions, habits, routines, general truths, and facts. For example, we say, I read books every day. Here, read is the first form of the verb and it tells about a regular action. Another example is, we play football on weekends. Play is the we1 showing a habit or routine. Imperative sentences, commands or instructions. We use the first form of the verb we1 in imperative sentences to give commands or instructions. It does not matter who the subject is. For example, open the door. Open is the we1 used to give a command. Another example is, please sit down. Sit is the we1 here, used as an instruction. After certain verbs, make and let, we use the first form of the verb we1 after certain verbs like make and let. For example, let them go. Here, go is the we1 following let, giving permission. Another example is, make him laugh. Laugh is the we1 following make, showing an action to perform. I go to the gym every morning. We play soccer on weekends. You read books in your free time. They swim in the pool during summer. I write emails to my clients. We cook dinner together on Sundays. You sing in the choir at church. They dance at every party. I help my friends with their projects. We visit new places during our vacations. You take photographs of your travels. They play chess in the evening. I clean the house every Saturday. We practice yoga together every morning. You listen to music while working. They shop for groceries every week. I help my children with their homework. We enjoy cooking new recipes. You explore new hobbies in your free time. They participate in community events. I visit my grandparents on holidays. We attend the weekly meetings at work. You write a journal every evening. They cook breakfast together on weekends. I watch the sunrise every morning. We enjoy hiking in the mountains. You call your friends to catch up. They clean their rooms every Saturday. I plan our vacation trips. We celebrate birthdays with a party. You paint landscapes on weekends. They learn new languages online. I help organize community events. We run in the park every morning. You prepare for your exams diligently. They teach children at the local school. I decorate the house for festivals. We listen to podcasts during our commute. You practice your instrument every day. They volunteer at the animal shelter. I jog in the park every morning. We bake cookies for special occasion. You teach English to children after school. They visit museums during their trips. I meditate before starting my day. We practice our speeches before meetings. You update your blog regularly. They explore new restaurants every month. I fix broken appliances around the house. We attend local festivals every year. You cook dinner for your family. They walk their dogs in the neighborhood. I shop for clothes online. We learn new recipes from cooking shows. You organize your desk every evening. They discuss their ideas during team meetings. I grow vegetables in my backyard. We send postcards to our friends while traveling. You perform at local theatre events. They contribute to charity events regularly. 1. Examples for regular actions, simple present tense. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb in V1. Exercise. I dash to go to the market every Saturday. We dash to read books in our free time. You dash to watch movies on weekends. They dash to cook dinner together. I dash to swim in the pool every summer. We dash to play cricket in the evening. You dash to sing in the choir every Sunday. They dash to dance at every party. I dash to write letters to my friends. We dash to clean the house on Sundays. You dash to eat breakfast at 7 a.m. They dash to visit their grandparents every month. I dash to study math after school. We dash to exercise in the gym regularly. You dash to draw pictures in art class. They dash to travel to different places during vacations. I dash to listen to music in the evenings. We dash to bake cookies for the festival. You dash to shop for groceries every week. They dash to take photographs during their trips. Two. For commands or instructions. Complete the sentences using V1. Exercise. You dash to sit on the chair. We dash to start the meeting now. They dash to stop talking during the movie. You dash to turn off the lights. I dash to show you how to do it. We dash to wait for the bus. You dash to clean the table after dinner. They dash to listen to the instructions carefully. I dash to explain the rules of the game. We dash to call him immediately. You dash to bring the documents to the office. They dash to prepare for the exam. I dash to help you with your homework. We dash to finish the report by tomorrow. You dash to close the door quietly. They dash to follow the given instructions. I dash to ask questions if needed. We dash to give feedback on the project. You dash to write a summary of the meeting. They dash to check the results before submission. Three. After certain verbs. Complete the sentences using V1 after the given verbs. Exercise. Let us dash to help you with the task. Make them dash to understand the importance of teamwork. Let him dash to explain his point of view. Make sure to dash to follow the safety guidelines. Let her dash to finish her presentation. Make us dash to see the updated design. Let the children dash to play outside. Make them dash to practice their speeches. Let me dash to try this new recipe. Make him dash to join the team meeting. Let us dash to review the documents. Make her dash to answer the questions. Let them dash to explore the new project. Make sure to dash to complete the assignment on time. Let us dash to assist with the event setup. Make them dash to attend the training session. Let him dash to review the report before submission. Make us dash to learn from our mistakes. Let her dash to participate in the discussion. Make them dash to cooperate with the new policy.